Let's enjoy. Why aren't you enjoying, huh? Leos are made to enjoy. We have had a lot of fun and fellowship. This is the fellowship. We 5 Nepali are here and we have made the 500 Bangladeshi friends. Now this circle will go to the 5 lakh. I know that is going to the 5 lakh and the youth action program will go in such a way that will be the massive representative in the South Asia. The Sri Lankan people, surely, these Nepali people will surely be in the Sri Lanka in the upcoming year, and I hope all the Bangladeshi people and the Sri Lanka people will also be in the Nepal. My dear friends, only represent 3 things: alt, control, delete. We are in the 21st century. Control yourself. No, don't let you go out of yourself. Search for the alternate solutions. Always go with the alternate solution. If there is something, go with the alternate solution. If there is no solution and there is problem, please delete those problems. Problems should not be there. If you erase the problem, there is nothing that can be. We had a lot of fun. We had a travel of 48 hours on a road. It was all the day and night trip. Thinking it was so boring, but when we reached the Bangladesh, when we reached the Chittagong, I didn't expect I am 1500 miles away from my country. I'm 1500 miles away from my country, and even I'm not feeling any difficulties. All my dear fellows and everything, you make me such a home life environment. I'm feeling as if in my home. But there is a boundary. People have made a boundary line. That boundary line should be erased, and we youth can erase the boundary line. Only the youth can do it. We say South Asian Federation. We should have a South Asian Federation of Leo, and that Leoism should do something that we should meet each and every moment, and we have the clear vision. We have learned so many from this youth camp, and surely next year Nepal will also be organizing a youth camp, and the Bangladeshi, Sri Lankan, and we'll try whole South Asian people to be there. Yesterday night, I slept at 4 a.m. Most of we slept at 4 a.m. We wake up, our organizers, they wake up at 6, 7, only 2 hours sleep. Look how energetic face are this. Name dedicates the Rongdano Youth Camp. The name delegates 7 colors of life. Please, we are the 7 colors of life, which represent white for the peace. The 7 color, if you mix the 7 colors, that represent the peace, and we should go with the peace. Whether language is a barrier. We didn't understand Bengali. We go with the language and everything, but we enjoy a lot that nobody can say Nepali people are boring. We enjoy a lot, and the enjoyment will go on. We'll be rocking the things. There are many things to be spoken. I have to speak because people are so things that they can speak whole day and whole night, but the listeners should be good. You are very good, and I would like to introduce my colleagues, friends from Nepal. The most energetic and the beautiful, handsome guy, the Leo Club of Nepal. He was represented at the Leo of the Year 325B Nepal, Best Club of the Year District 325B in his presidential tenure 2010-11. He is the initiator of the Leo International Global Campaign, Silent Synopsis, Region Coordinator of the District 325, Mr. Leo Biplab Sibadi. Please welcome here. President of Leo Club of Duligoda Khairani City, the energetic Leo of the year 2011-12. He had conducted more than 10-15 programs in this 2-3 months period. Mr. Leo, Mr. Tirtharaj Khanal. President of Leo Club of Kathmandu Toka Club, running in the 2nd year, and the best Leo Club of year 10, 11, and he has been organizing many cultural programs for his society and the Mason Leo Niranjan Dangal. Last, not for the least, the first VP of the Leo Club of Kathmandu Balaju he have received the best series of activities performed by Kathmandu Leo Club, which was for activity up to 12 days on the occasion of Leo Day, Leo Basanta Paurel. I would like my friends to come on the dais, please.